Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. In today's video, we're gonna learn together how to bath our dogs with the natural dry shampoo. My name is Lorena, I'm from Peru and we live in Florida. She's Candy, my Coton de tulear. Now let's get started with the video. I'm gonna be using a towel to place it in the workplace, brushes and combs that you use when brushing your dog's hair regularly, and cornstarch. I recommend you to do the grooming your dog in a high place, table, kitchen or bathroom counter, in my case on a chair. I'm bathing to my dog Candy one time a month or every 2 months, depends on our activities. So let's sprinkle the cornstarch on your dog's body little by little, starting from the back, then sprinkle in the front legs, neck, back legs, tail, and then we're gonna be using our hands. You have to shake your dog's hair quickly. Have fun with him, talk to him, and give him a bunch of kisses when you are working with your dog. Enjoy the moment. Now let's brush the dog's hair with the brush where you use regularly. No matter how you brush, the important thing is to brush from one side to another side. Don't worry guys about the tangles because the cornstarch will help you to untangle the knots if your dog has it. Guys, you can see right now how the cornstarch comes out. It is fantastic. You can see right now how this product is absorbing hair grease naturally. Wow, it's incredible. Repeat the process, brushing and using your hands to shake the hair. Now I will put cornstarch on Candy's head and shake. Be careful with the eyes and nose, okay? And keep brushing and using your hands to remove the excess of cornstarch. As you can see, Candy is enjoying this time with me when I'm cleaning or brushing hair because it's part of our routine, so it's easy for me and not too hard for her. I know guys, you want to know the cornstarch benefits, right? Okay, number 1, cornstarch is not toxic for animals and you can get it at a very low price in the supermarket. Number 2, you can use this type of cleaning for dogs and cats. Number 3, cornstarch absorbs everything from your dog's hair, leaving your dog's hair clean, shiny, and fluffy. Number 4, also remove the knots of your dog's hair, if your dog has it, of course. You can find a video below in my info box of how to brush my dog's hair and how to untangle a knot with cornstarch. Number 5, you can use this dry shampoo 2 or 3 times a month if you want, depends on the activities. Number 6, please do this kind of dry shampoo outdoors. Keep your house clean, please. Hola! Hi, Candy. Hi, Candy. Come here. Ay, qué lindo. Ay, tan bella. Ciao. Number 7. You can put the cornstarch in a jar, bag, or a plastic container with a lid to store it in the area where you keep your dog's things. Number 8. If you are under 18 and you want to do this, please you have to ask your parents before. Show this video and only if they give you permission, do it. Number 9. Don't forget to put a comfortable clothes on you because you are going to mess a little.
Hola, Simón. Hola. ¿Qué pasó?
Guys, you already subscribed to my channel? Not yet? Well, subscribe to my channel please and follow us on my social media. And right here you have the before and after. I actually keep my girl candy clean, and maybe you cannot see much difference, but right now I know you can see less greasy hair, more fluffy and white, right? So I think the dry shampoo is working. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.